In this clip, we will learn to add background image. We must be careful about the link. So first open Notepad, click on a start menu. We have Notepad in a start menu. And now write the code as given in the table, page number 62. HTML head style type. We will add background image using a style tag. Style type equal to text with CSS body. This is the selector, that is where we want to add image. It is in the body background. Now background image URL here I am leaving the link URL. I will use the link after writing the completion of code. So first write the code, because you must be careful here. Close a style tag and head tag, and body tag starts. And write the text here. Let me write the text. I have written the body contents. Now close the paragraph tag and close body. Close HTML. Now we will apply add link just in the parenthesis next to URL. So click here between the double quotes and minimize Notepad. Here, for the sake of convention, we won't write the link. We just copy the link, that is where it is the picture image, our image, and we will paste the link here in next to the URL. So minimize it. So first we see where our image is. Browse where our image is. Click on my computer, in C drive, users, public, in public folder, in public pictures, in sample pictures. Double click on it, and now click on this title bar, just here, just click. It is selected. Right click on it and copy it, and say we want to add this image, tulip. So first we copy the link And now we will open our notepad window. I have already clicked here. Paste the copied link here. Say Ctrl+V. And now we can see the cursor is right to the sample pictures. Now we will add one more link, that is name of the image. So slash, and we want to add tulip dot jpg. Must use file extension. Now save the file. As all the time we save it on desktop. Give the name to the file. Say, give any name. Say John .html. Now click on save or press enter key. Close the window. I added this image, tulips. And see what it's. If you want to know the extension of the image, right click on the image and click on properties, and here it is JPG. It is JPG file. Must use extension. Close this window and we can see this is our file, John. Double click on it. Something there is a mistake, image is not displayed. We'll close it and we'll see where I have taken mistake. I will check where the mistake is. So open this file in notepad again. Minimize this. We check from where we have brought the pictures. Oh, it is tulips, not tulip. You can see it is tulips. So there I will change the spelling. Here I have used tulip. It should be tulips. Now again save. After modification we will save the file. Now run this. I have added this image because there is no teamwork image as given in the book. So nothing to be worried. We need to learn to add image. If we learn to add an image, we can add any image to it. Now close the file. If you feel any difficulties using link, then don't need to get worried. Say create a folder on the desktop. Rename it, give a name to it. Say HTML and keep your notepad file in the HTML. And now open this file in notepad window and delete this link. If your link doesn't work, in that case we will do so. We will delete the link, whatever we defined, save it, and now bring your image, paste your image in the picture. Say if you want to add this image, so just copy this image and paste it in this folder. Now just open the file and just here give the name of the image with its extension. Say tulips.jpg. We will use this if you find any difficulties to add link. Save it and now run this. Okay, still if you find any difficulties, then see the video again. It is alternate method. If you find any difficulties to add the link, then we will create a folder on the desktop and place your file in this folder and the image that you want to link to this file, and just mention the next to the URL, just name of the image with its extension. Your file must run.